Hello creative mind, welcome home. This is Survivors Creativity and welcome to our printing press. Today I will be introducing you to the 858 A3 cutting machine. So this is what the 858 A3 cutting machine looks like. This is how it comes. You bring it out and then change the direction to this. So this is what it will look like. You will need an Allen to lose the nuts here because it doesn't work with screwdriver. In adjusting the paper size. This is the A4. Let's assume I want to cut in A4. This is what you use in measuring it. You adjust this. So now I'm having exactly A4. Take a look what happens here. As I tighten it, this thing comes down. It comes down to press down and hold the paper. Now once the paper is being held tightly and it's in place, you simply draw this down. Once you draw it, it will cut the paper. So I believe you can see it is a neat cut, and I believe you can see what we have here is A4. So this is how we are having a double of A4 here. This is how it works. So this is the cutter lock. Once you take it back, you pull it up in order to cut. So take a look at it again. This is the cutter lock. If I take it back, I'll use it I'll release the lock and it will hold it in place. As you can see, it is firm. It can't come down. If I want it to come down, I'll take this back, pull this up and then cut. So that is the cutter lock.